moved on to the white filament, and that Solyin batch that I bought. So nearly used it all up. For those that don't know, I bought about 5 reels, different colours, and they've all been rubbish. But I've been working my way through them.
Hi guys, I've got quite a few filament spools or drums, whatever you want to call them, that are empty. I'm pretty sure I've done a rubber band powered car using those wheels as normal. This time I thought I'd do an old-fashioned cotton reel type car. Rubber band goes through the middle, and then you need a long arm to attach to the rubber band, wind it up, and then you put that down, and as the rubber band unwinds, it tries to spin that round. If that's resting against the floor, that will push the car forwards. So you could probably get it to work with just one of them, but being as I've got 2 handy, I have a 3D printed little joiner to go in the middle, and then that piece to hold the rubber band, we just loop the rubber band round there, and then at the other end, we'll just demonstrate on here, I've got this one with a hole in the middle, which will go on the other end. The hole, we will push this through. That bead will come in handy later, just to give us a bit of a bearing surface. We'll bend a hook on here to hold the rubber band, and then we'll bend this over at 90 degrees so it will make contact with the floor. So I'll use a pair of pliers to bend it to shape, and then we'll stick it together. So that's our hook on the inside. Then we'll bend this over at 90 degrees. In fact, if thinking about it, I'll try and make sure that's that way up. So that little bit's sticking up, just so we've got a nice curve there so we don't stick it into anything. I've actually glued that in place, and the central joiner piece, just so these don't slip around when we're winding up the rubber band. Rubber band, I've joined 4 together, down, round there, back through again, and then onto the hook. So that's going to sit on there, and then we'll wind it up. It's going to be quite loose to begin with because I've used plenty of rubber bands there. I don't know if that's tight enough yet to give us any movement. Let's go wide angle. Oh, almost enough. I'm sure there's videos on YouTube of the old cotton reel tanks, they used to call them. Used to cut teeth around the edges, notches all the way around the edges, so they'd grip on the carpet and go over things. I did one on my other channel, on my rubber band powered cars playlist over there. I'll put a link to it, that I made out of a big lump of wood because I couldn't find any suitable cotton reels. They were all lightweight plastic, and the good old ones were nice wooden ones. So I had a rubber band through the middle, a nail on the other side to hold the rubber band, and usually a couple of buttons for the bearing surface and some candle wax to lubricate it. In fact, some actually used a slice of candle wax as one of the surfaces. And then something like a toothpick. Oh, I've just done that too much while I'm chatting, forgetting what I'm doing. And I've over-tightened that. Okay, well, that demonstrates that we can get it off again and change it easily, but pay a bit more attention, Grandad, to what you're doing. Don't keep winding when you're talking. Right, I'll put some more rubber bands in there and we'll have a go without over-tightening it. Being as I had to change the rubber bands anyway, I've actually doubled up. So we've got two lengths of rubber bands going through there. So twice the power. And away we go. Can we hit the camera with it? Don't know how straight it goes. Well, that worked. First time lucky, I would say. Managed to get it that straight and hit the camera. So, something useful with filament drums. Yeah, I like that. Very simple. One bicycle spoke, one plastic bead, some 3D printed bits, but you could make those out of cardboard. Although you've probably got a 3D printer if you've got 3D printer filament spools. Not really much point in me sharing the files because it depends what diameter the center of your spools are, because these were quite narrow compared to some of the other ones that I've got. Nice and simple.